Construction is busy. Tight deadlines, constant surprises, harsh weather, and you are holding it all together. Often, though, you sit idle. Nothing happens, and you lose time searching for missing equipment or waiting for something that broke down. And you are not alone. Workers waste up to 2 hours each week searching for tools, and up to 20% of assets are simply lost. Keeping track manually takes time away from your most valuable resource, the skilled tradespeople who work for you. Hilti has listened to you, and we are here to help. With OnTrack, we provide the transparency you need to become more efficient. On a single platform, OnTrack automatically tells you where your equipment is, automatically assigns them to locations, and automatically notifies you in time if something is not right.